Are you tired of being in a place where there's people there who just want something from you? They can't create the right environment for you. Well, my friend, it's time to tell them to leave. Here's a short video of a message that I preached here at South Spring Hill Baptist Church entitled, Leave. I pray that it blesses you. And until then, we'll see you next week.
You'll find out that there are some people with Jesus. Watch this. That he takes in the room with him. He does not ask them to leave also. All right? When Jesus goes in, watch this. He only permits 3 of his disciples to stay with him. He tells Peter, stay. James, stay. John, the brother of James, stay. And the father and the mother of this girl. I only need you all to stay. The rest of you, get out. God, I ain't got nobody in here. I hope as I'm preaching this, what you're doing is you're taking inventory of your circle right now. Because if I can be honest, there's some people that need to stay, and there's also a couple of people who you need to say, it seemed like my body was sick. Back hurting me, shoulder hurting me, and all I had was just 30 seconds on the clock. But all I needed was just one cheerleader to say, my God, if he can do the same for me, Bishop, he can heal your body. So right now, I wish I had the right crowd in here that knew what I was talking about. You ever been there before? 4th quarter, 30 seconds on the clock. Seemed like everything getting ready to expire. Seemed like bills shutting down. Seemed like relationships going crazy. Seemed like no money in your pocket. Seemed like your body just won't get right. But oh my God, all you needed was just one touch from the Lord. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? All you needed was just a voice that would tap you on your shoulder and say, although you're in the 4th quarter, 30 seconds left on the clock, it's gonna be all right. Oh, I can hear him saying,